We're going to be taking word expressions today and writing algebraic expressions for them. And this starts off easy. You just go in the order that it's given. Like this one would be 4 plus 4 plus x. But they get a little more complicated as we get into some of the words that I've highlighted here. And so this chart is attached to on your notes. If you forget what increased by means or sum or quotient or product, look back at the notes, have it opened in a separate tab. But these words down here are the ones that we're going to jot down in our notebook. The parentheses words are difference of, sum of, and then the turnaround words, some of them are subtracted from and than. So grab your notebook, and that's what we're going to jot down in there. Let me help with the contrast here. And it's just a few of those that we're going to do before we start working on the IXL. So you're going to likely need parentheses if you see a difference of or sum of phrase. So look for those phrases, highlighted in your brain or on the paper if you see those, because it's quite likely that you would need parentheses. And order change. Normally we just write things down in the order that they're written, but there is some exceptions to that. And two of the more common exceptions are the phrase less than and subtracted from. They switch the order, and you would put the word that came after before. Let's look at that. Let's just do again this easy one. 4 more than x. There isn't any of these phrases that I put on there. The word than is only, it's like that's one of the words we look for, but the big ones that I need to really look for is less than, because addition, it doesn't matter the order that we add or subtract in. So 4 decreased by x, that's not any of the phrases that I'm looking for. I'm looking for subtracted from, less than, sum of, difference. Here's the first time where I see one of those phrases. This is what we call a turnaround phrase. Instead of putting 4 minus x, I put the exact opposite of that, and I move that 4 to the end. This 4 goes down there. So twice x increased by 4. I don't have anything that's fancy in there. None of those phrases that I'm looking for. Difference of, sum of. So I'm just going to go in the order that occurs. Twice means 2 times. X increased by means plus 4. Twice the sum of. Okay, here twice means this. Sum of means I need parentheses. Sum of, difference of, I know that that might mean. And what am I summing? X and 4. Okay. Difference of. So 2 times. Difference of means parentheses with a subtraction in the middle. And what am I differencing? The x and the 4. Okay. 4 subtracted from twice x. Subtracted from is one of those phrases I'm looking for where I'm going to put this number at the end. 4 subtracted from what? Twice x. 4 is being subtracted from this right here. And the difference of is a parenthesis word. The difference of 4 and twice x. Why is there a subtraction there? Because difference of means a subtraction phrase. And what are you subtracting? The 4 and the 2x. You're going to be working on IXL. They're not easy, and be okay with missing a few. Read the summary that it gives them, and then just practice some more. Practice, practice, practice.